国外过万圣节哦，金龟是主角之一。伫加州，逐当嘛拢会办上当金龟的比赛。今年是明尼苏达州一个老师，伊种出1121公斤的金龟，摕到冠军咯。伊嘛已经是连续第4档摕到冠军咯。
Rudy。 超级大金龟该出动地过车才会当送起你庆当美国加州1年1摆的金龟蹦动大赛，配合几啊节来举办。
What do we got? 2471. 2471. Whoa! Current leader by 6 pounds. Travis Steiner from Minnesota.
冠军金龟有1121公斤，是来自明尼苏达州的管艺老师金家所种的，顺利摕到今年金龟庆当世锦赛的冠军，完成4连霸。
I think I only won by 6 pounds. I was just told, so it came down. And the funny part about it is that was my last year's or 2 years ago seed that he grew. We did not have the right weather year to do it, so. To be up here on this stage with my family and friends is awesome.
加拿大第2名2.7公斤，虽然今年无阁创新纪录，不过1247公斤是伊创的世界纪录。金家认为克服歹天气、关注兔爸健康是摕到冠军的关键。
Soil health is a big one for me, and get that plant established right away, and the rest is history. Yeah.
And you're gonna come back next year?
We'll see. We got to do some talking here with my family.
说来，这粒冠军金龟会互得标的马主炸到63支，以3D 雕刻的方式展示。同款是配合几啊节个奥克兰动物园这只非洲象，伫几啊节前，伊咧食动物园提供的大金龟，伊一喙就甲金龟吞落去，那亲像死兽啊共款。未来伊会搬到田纳西州的象保护区，甲其他象做伙生活。国视新闻第为人报道。